Top 5 Shockingly Amazing Zoos in Sydney. G'day, everyone! Welcome back to Bite Blitz, where we embark on adventures that bring the wonders of the world right to your screen. Today, we're diving into the vibrant city of Sydney, Australia, to explore the top 5 shockingly amazing zoos that will leave you in awe. From iconic Australian creatures to exotic species from around the globe, Sydney's zoos are a treasure trove of wildlife wonders. So grab your virtual safari hat and let's uncover the wild surprises awaiting you in these shockingly amazing zoos. Our first stop on this wild journey is none other than the iconic Taronga Zoo, perched on the stunning shores of Sydney Harbour. Taronga is not just a zoo, it's a wildlife sanctuary with a view. Imagine getting up close to giraffes and meerkats while enjoying breathtaking panoramas of the Sydney Opera House and skyline. Taronga's commitment to conservation is evident in its diverse exhibits, educational programs, and behind-the-scenes experiences that offer a deeper connection to the animal kingdom. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer beauty and biodiversity that Taronga Zoo has to offer. Whether you're strolling through the Australian walkabout or witnessing the majesty of Sumatran tigers, Taronga Zoo provides an unforgettable experience for wildlife enthusiasts and conservation advocates alike. It's a shockingly amazing adventure that combines the thrill of discovery with the spectacular backdrop of Sydney's iconic landmarks. Next up on our animal odyssey is Wildlife Sydney Zoo, nestled in the heart of Darling Harbour. This zoo may be compact, but it packs a punch when it comes to showcasing Australia's unique fauna. From cuddly koalas to the enigmatic saltwater crocodile, Wildlife Sydney Zoo offers an intimate encounter with some of the continent's most iconic creatures. The interactive exhibits and themed habitats create an immersive journey into the diverse ecosystems that make Australia a wildlife wonderland. What sets Wildlife Sydney Zoo apart is its commitment to education and conservation. The zoo provides an opportunity to appreciate the incredible biodiversity of Australia and understand the importance of preserving these species for future generations. It's a shockingly amazing destination that brings the wild beauty of Australia to the heart of Sydney. Now, let's venture a bit beyond the city to the charming Featherdale Wildlife Park. A short drive from Sydney, this family-friendly park is a haven for animal lovers seeking hands-on experiences with native Australian wildlife. Picture yourself hand-feeding kangaroos, encountering wallabies, and marveling at the vibrant plumage of Australian birds. Featherdale's dedication to conservation and its interactive approach make it a must-visit destination for those looking to connect with the unique fauna of the land down under. Featherdale Wildlife Park is more than a zoo. It's a place where you can engage with the animals in a way that fosters understanding and appreciation. The park's commitment to conservation and its welcoming atmosphere create a shockingly amazing experience for visitors of all ages. Our adventure takes a dive beneath the waves as we explore Sea Life Sydney Aquarium in Darling Harbour. While not a traditional zoo, this aquatic marvel deserves a spot on our list for its shockingly amazing displays of marine life. Imagine walking through tunnels surrounded by sharks and rays, or witnessing the vibrant colors of coral reefs up close. Sea Life Sydney Aquarium provides a mesmerizing journey through various aquatic environments, offering a unique perspective on the wonders of the ocean. From the Great Barrier Reef exhibit to the interactive touch pools, Sea Life Sydney Aquarium is a celebration of marine biodiversity and a reminder of the importance of protecting our oceans. It's a shockingly amazing underwater adventure that complements Sydney's terrestrial zoos, creating a well-rounded wildlife experience for curious minds. Our final stop on this wild expedition brings us to the family-friendly Symbio Wildlife Park, located just south of Sydney. Symbio is not your average zoo. It's a place where hands-on encounters and conservation efforts take center stage. Imagine feeding friendly red pandas, getting up close with meerkats, and marveling at the grace of Sumatran tigers. Symbio Wildlife Park offers a unique blend of entertainment and education, making it a shockingly amazing destination for wildlife enthusiasts. With a focus on connecting visitors with the natural world, Symbio's commitment to conservation is evident in its engaging exhibits and animal interactions. It's a place where the joy of discovery and the importance of protecting our planet come together in a shockingly amazing way. And there you have it, wildlife enthusiasts, the top 5 shockingly amazing zoos in Sydney. From the iconic Taronga Zoo with its stunning harbour views to the family-friendly Featherdale Wildlife Park and the aquatic wonders of Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Sydney offers a wildlife adventure like no other. If you enjoyed this virtual safari, don't forget to roar with approval by hitting that like button, subscribe for more wild explorations, and ring the notification bell to join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of our wild and beautiful planet. Cheers from the land down under! Thanks for watching.